Let's see if Nova works. She's alive. Oh, she's alive. Hi, Nova. Alright, we need to fix her skin. Hey, Nova. She's happy. Where are you going? Good girl. I see. Let me see if her leg got fixed. Her leg looks a little better. Alright, that's a good girl. Yeah. That's a good girl. Where are you going? Where are you going, Nova? Hmm? Okay, that's it for now.